How to connect your Instagram account to your Facebook page. Hey there, social media enthusiasts. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to connect your Instagram account to your Facebook page. By linking these two platforms, you can easily share your Instagram posts directly to your Facebook page, expanding your reach and engaging with your audience across both networks. Before you can link your Instagram to your Facebook page, ensure you have switched your account from personal to professional. If you don't know how to do that, watch this video right here. Now, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged into the account you want to connect to your Facebook page. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen to access your Instagram profile. Tap on Edit Profile. On your profile, scroll down and tap on Page. Instagram will prompt you to log in to your Facebook page. Choose the Facebook page you want to connect to your Instagram account. If you don't see your desired page, make sure you have admin access to that page on Facebook. After selecting your Facebook page, tap on the Connect button to link your Instagram account to your chosen Facebook page.